Alright guys, I just wanted to kind of summarize the importance of it one more time. Again, we're looking for that gradual heart slope up, and we're also looking for a time. So our goal is 10 minutes, and that matters because the time allows enough data to be picked up to make our numbers more accurate. So if we were to go look at, let's say, one of the charts over here, right? If it's going to come up on me. There we go. So if we looked at this chart on the data table, Korr picks up data every 15 seconds. So every 15 seconds it's picking up the heart rate or the VO2 or the VCO2 or whatever. But as you can see, that data begins to add up, and of course the more data that you have, the more accurate your results are. So 10 minutes is a good one. This is what Korr recommends, somewhere between 8 and 12 minutes. I think 10 is a good one for us to shoot. And maybe how could we really shoot for that? I think we have a way we could do that. So let's say that we have John here, and we need to know his predicted max heart rate. If you remember, his predicted max heart rate actually is 220 minus his age, and he's 45, so that gives us his predicted max heart rate of 75. John also has a resting heart rate of 75. So the difference between his resting heart rate and his maximal heart rate, we made it easy, is 100 beats, right? And those 100 beats, if we're aiming for a 10-minute test, we should take those 100 beats and divide them up by 10 minutes. And then we would find out that we would like to have a increase in heart rate of 10 beats per minute, which in 10 minutes will equal 100 beats per minute, and he will reach his max predicted max heart rate of 175. So this is a simple way to take anyone's numbers and divide them between 10 minutes and be able to know how steady we can increase his heart rate every minute. So if I increase his heart rate to about 10 beats every minute, and I do that for 10 minutes, I've got that 100 beats that we're looking for. Of course, we could change that, and we could just go, well, his max heart rate, let's say, is 150. We got somebody else here, and his resting heart rate is at 100. So we only have 50 beats now that we can work with. So we'll take 50 beats, and then we'll divide that by 10 minutes, and we kind of already know what that is. That's 5 beats per minute, and 5 beats per minute will reach 50 beats in 10 minutes, and he'll reach his max heart rate of 150. That's called a protocol, and there are other protocols that we can learn, but this is definitely a simple one that I think we should adopt for all of our tests. Okay, that's it. Gonna move on to something else.